Alright, my name's Katie Rose Campbell and I'm from Moscow, Idaho. I was working a minimum wage job at a gas station, which I recommend no one ever do. And I had had enough. I swore I'd never work minimum wage again. I knew I wanted to work with my hands. I knew I wanted to travel and kind of do something more with my brain than work cashier. And I was lucky enough to have some welders I knew, and they kind of turned me on to the idea. Part of it was the time. It's only about a 6-month program, maybe a little bit more. There's also the resources, and I mean, cost is always something that comes into it. But it was just a really good mix of really hands-on, work-based company, and it's really great that they provide you all the tools without any extra cost of that, so you don't have to figure out what's the best wrench, what's the best anything. They kind of pre-make your toolbox for you. All you have to do is show up with the boots. So yeah, that really is what turned me on to elite welding. That and the administration staff, I guess is the word for it. Miss Genoese and Dan, they really introduced me to the school, answered any questions I had, and were really great on following up. So. That would be that I get to weld pretty much every day, all day. It's very hands-on, and like there's a bit of book work that isn't too bad either. But really it's just that you're there to learn how to weld, and that's what you do. So it's a lot of fun. I definitely would. I think the thing that's been most beneficial to me as a student has just been kind of keep throwing myself at the projects. Even when I'm having bad days or things aren't going right, eventually you're going to get it if you work hard enough. And so that's really helped me.